Hello, and thank you for joining me for another 518 Tulip Tracker moment. Today, I'm going to talk about what's behind me. They are these beautiful parrot tulips. They're called Tucano, and it's a mix brought to you by my supplier, Color Blends. The city of Albany has these gorgeous parrots, and the reason they're a parrot is because the petals of these flowers are just magnificent. They're larger than a typical parrot or a typical tulip petal. They usually have these beautiful striations and colors within them, where you can see multiple colors in each petal. They have oftentimes crinkly edges, and when they open up, they almost turn themselves inside out. So they are super, super special, and they are a sight to behold here in Washington Park. So please come out and see our tulips.